don't know if the mic is on. Mic is on? Yeah, okay. Alright, so everyone, welcome back to another fitness vlog. So yesterday I actually filmed, did not upload it because I was supposed to do leg day yesterday, but um I don't know. I followed my friends their workout because it was back day and back day was my favorite. Uh, if it's your favorite workout, keep going. Just do it again. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter if you repeat it. Only thing is, it will disrupt the rest of your muscle. So, as much as possible, you need to rest your muscles as well. So, yeah. I mean, the workout was brutal, man. My other friend had a body ache, but it's not that crucial. That the thing is, he could still work out, but he needs to rest. Yeah, because the workout was like too much for him, I guess. Yeah, but was really good. It was really good. So today is the leg day, and I already made a workout split, uh, a workout circuit for my leg day, and I guess that my friend is there, so we're just gonna follow my workout. I'll just put it at the description. What are the workouts that I written, so you guys could follow if you want, if you guys want. So I'll just put it in the description. Um, it's actually some of the workouts of Tom Platz. I just made it a bit more for us because a Tom Platz workout is brutal. For sure, we're gonna finish our legs till failure because I know that that will happen to us while in the workout. Because to be honest, our legs are the strongest among our muscles in working out, not the tongue, dude. I know that the tongue is the strongest muscle of our body, but in working out in the gym, dude, the legs, they could do double the work, man. They could do double the work. So if you're gonna work out your legs, at least put it till failure. Like, it's a one way. It's a one way, man. Alright. So, enough of that. Let's go and start our main set or whatever film that I do. I think it's gonna be the warm up or the main set. Because it depends. I keep on forgetting stuff. Keeps on keep on forgetting stuff whenever I'm filming. So let's skip to that set. It's yoga class.
Pero leg day ka rin talaga ngayon.
Oo,
Hindi
kasabay.
ka nakapag-leg day.
Daw nakapag-leg day kahapon. Sinabayan ko kayo. Nabitin ako sa back day ko eh.
Dala day namin kapag
Mm.
simula ng workout. May ano ba? May copyright na sa TikTok kung lagi nag-leg ka. Tapos,
Nag-music ka? Meron.
may copyright na sila.
Oh, bawal ka nga dyan mag-vape eh. Bawal ka mag-vape. Bawal ka mag-promote ng kahit anong may nicotine. Alcohol, bawal din.
Kung lagi maglalay na, habang nag-iinom bawal yun. At least alam.
Mura nga, bawal eh. Kaya pagka nagla-live ako, iniiwasan ko magmura. Mag-sorry agad ako eh. Papasok kasi agad yung moderator dyan. Bigo.
Parang hindi.
Ah, meet me.
Yung students na nag-graduate, convertible sa cash.
Hmm.
Personally lang ako nag-meet, siguro 1 week.
Kaparehas na ni Kumu.
Ha?
Kaparehas ni Kumu.
O parang gano'n.
Okay.
Pero hindi ako nakapag-cash out kasi yung mga sinipid sa akin, sila ako pinag-isip. Gusto rin kasi rin yung ano eh. Gusto rin yung, ano tawag yun?
Pabalik
Yung
na.
clan-clan.
Ah, okay.
Tapos kung ano yung binibigay sa akin, sinisend ko rin sa mga grupo. Engineering kasi mag-send.
Mm. Lalo na pagka marami ka naipon na ano, na donations. Pero yung iba nagme-music diyan eh. Hindi naman ata ganun ka-strict sila sa music.
Parang Facebook na rin.
Mm. Hindi naman ka-strict sa ano, sa music. Pero ano, di ko lang. Basta yung ano nila diyan, bawal kayong gumawa ng kahit anong masamang bagay diyan. Hindi lang masama ang music eh. Yung conditioning natin para tayong ano mag-athletics ah. Ganito conditioning namin eh.
Everyday na.
Oo. Pagka tatalon na kami. Hindi ka nag-stretch, ikaw pa kawawa doon.
Si ano na, si Samsung, flexible.
Oo.
Kasi nakita ko yung nagda-live siya eh.
Galing niya mag-dive. Diyos ko yung 260 dive niya. Halatang kakagising ko lang oh. Kaangat pa boko. Pagka-chat nyo, nakita ko, sabi ko, puta, nakagising ko lang. Kumain muna ako eh.
Today's like, yung focusing na kami sa workout program. First workout ko bro, squats.
Squats. Alright? Alright. Start our warm-up. No weights. Hmm. Whew!
Ano po goal na nakasulat? May goal siya.
Ah, saan?
Ayun, no? Parang manage goal.
Ah, yung sa ano yan, yung sa donations nila. Kunyari, meron magdo-donate sa'yo ng ah, 10 roses. Na-achieve mo yung goal na yun pag kami nag-donate. Bended na yung bar. Ang kulit eh.
Yung ano,
Kahapon yan. Ay, sorry. Yeah. Whew. Oh. Dami talaga, malaki engagement yan sa TikTok, lalo na ano, hype lagi. Okay, ano yung ano ko? Kya! Putang ina! Ah, sorry. Sorry.
pero parang hindi naman yung kailangan sa hypertrophy. Kailangan pa ba yun?
Hmm?
Kailangan pa ba yung sa hypertrophy? Parang pampalakas lang yun.
Pampalakas na yun. Ah, si Ronnie Coleman madalas gumagawa. Doon ang galing injury niya eh.
Doon galing yung niya.
Ah.
Ha! Ah! Oh.
Ay. Ay, teka ng tubig ko. Ay. Always stay hydrated, everyone.
Dehydrated guys.
Stay dehydrated.
Pero
Ay.
ikaw yung state kapag English mo, no?
Huh?
Sanay ka mag-English na sa mga videos mo.
Oh, pinapractice ko eh.
Na parang mas, may mga bagay kasi na mas may explain siya kapag English language ginamit mo.
Tsaka universal.
Ah.
Maganda siya pagka nag-online coaching ka. Ay, 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 ay. Whew. Ay. Shit. Ay.
Kamay lang may
Ah,
ay, ito papasin ka. Bakit?
oh. Nalala ko lang sino may spatter ko dati. Eh, spatter ko yung matutumba, hindi ako eh.
Hindi rin babagsak sa likod.
Oo.
Kapag hindi na kaya, ako masasabi, talon-talonin mo na sa akin.
Naalala ko, meron tayo nento. May spatter ako. Kinakabahan pa ako. Madalas kasi ginagawa ko pagka wala nento sa Bakal Gym. Ganito ako.
Oo. Tinatalon. Tinatalon talaga. Mas okay yung gano'n. Kaysa team rope mo.
Oh, balileeg mo dun. Lahat kasi ng weight nandito. So, basic physics na lang rin yun. Na dito babagsak. Whew. Alright. So, we just finished our main set right here. We're going to the next set, which is, I think it's a leg extensions. Yeah. So, we're gonna do some leg extensions. After our leg extensions, we're gonna do prone. Both of those we're gonna do till failure, because our legs needs two times our workout. So our legs are more stronger than the other parts, right? Okay, so let's go. Cuffs. Quads. So we just added weight. Told you guys that we're gonna go to the other set, but let's finish this. Parang yung tawag dito. Okay, don't tell anyone, but I added more whey. And then we're gonna add milk, then more whey. Then we're gonna add 3 more scoops of whey. Puro whey na yung laman. All right.
Ha! Ha!
On, come on, up, 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 up.
Ha!
Push, push, push. Up. There you go. I don't know how many reps I could do with this, but let's see. Please, let's at least get like 6. I don't know. Let's see.
Sabi ka dito,
Hmm.
244.
200. Okay lang. Rubber yung floor. Sa akin bumagsak sa concrete.
Alam mo yung nakita ko sa bumagsak, pero hindi ko siya mahabol kasi nanghihina legs ko. Hinahan ko na lang.
Sa akin kasi nalaglag lagi sa paa ko eh. Tapos ka na mag-live?
Kaya. Yan, baba mo. Baba lang. Yan, nice. Kaya pa. Kaya pa. Nice!
Fuck. Oh. Oh God. Okay, let's go to quads. Let's go to the leg press. Grabe, parang Baguio dito ah.
Ano ka, medyo close to tayo.
Okay.
Huwag mo ilalak yung wrist mo.
Uh-huh.
Tapos, ibaba mo siya hanggang sa makakaya mo. Pero
Dito?
huwag mo hayaan, tumaas yung puwet mo.
Ah, okay.
Pagka pakiramdam mo, tataas yung puwet mo.
Alright. Here, okay. Ako. Ayun.
Twelve to 15. 12 to 15.
12 to 15.
Okay.
Konti na. 15. Konti na, lumpo na tayo. Alright. Ah. Stereolab ba? Okay, nag-play ah.
Okay.
Yep, lightweight, push. Ayan, lightweight. Isip ko lang, paano na kaya ng atleta ni Tom Platz lahat to? Lahat ng legs nila puro failure eh. Oo, kaya unang squat sila, tapos pupunta na sila sa mga machine. Wala nga tayo ditong hack squat eh. Kung may hack squat tayo dito, warak lalo legs natin eh. Kasi kung nakaiga ka ganito, tapos parang nagsisisi squat ka doon. Ang ina. Kung may magka-cups ba tayo? Okay. Kasama ko na lang doon sa description.
Pero dapat talaga kasi nare-reach mo yung failure.
Oo. Maganda naman yun kasi mas magde-develop muscle mo sa failure.
Kaya ginagawa yung drop set, super set.
Di ba sabi nga niya, Sibam, why would you save your fuel that doesn't working out? That's not how you work out.
Hindi yan para may ng program. Kailangan ma-reach mo yung parang pinaka-peak. Ingat lang, huwag mo ilalaki doon.
Thank you, may handle na ganito.
Pagkatan natin.
Palitan natin ng
Pagkatan natin ng
20. Ano? Ito. Alright. Tom Platz, this is for you.
Pero kailangan mo, pala ito talaga ako. Ay, paano nga rin ito? Video ko. Ano na lang, portrait kasi pang TikTok ko lang na.
Okay.
Kaya ginawa kong 20 para kita yung plates. Kasi pag 10, hindi mo kita.
Ito yung video. Check mo.
Mas define siya
Ilaw. Ilaw kasi. Pagka nag-ano rin kami, dito sa mirror, pagka binibidyo na yung sarili namin, ganyan. Para yung shadows kita.
Alright.
Ah! Ah!
Pilitan mo.
Whew! Fuck! Whew. Alright. Drop set. We're dead. Not dead. Technically not dead, but just tired. But yeah. Film ka ba? Dito mo lagay. Yan, dyan. Alright. Just a sec. Alright, drop set.
Ano mong bigat? Oh!
Go. Push, push, push. Pa. Yung plate po. Nag-drop set po. Up. Last one. Come on. Let's go. Okay.
Kaya?
Okay.
Hindi ko kaya. 15 ko sana eh. Ano ba?
Okay.
Ha!
Hingal, di ba?
Hinga ka muna po.
Huh? 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 Sobra ng plate. Tatlong 10 lang to.
Okay, sige.
Shit! Angat nga natin konti itong upuan. Eight to 10 reps. Next naman is...
Failure mo. Failure.
Okay.
Kasi
Failure na.
hindi na ako makapagsabi ng numbers eh. Baka hindi mo
Okay.
baka hindi mo rin na-reach. Basta pakiramdaman mo, failure.
Maganda ito pag... Woo! Putang ina. Oh, fuck! Fuck. Parang akong tinira ng 10 demonyo. Sakit. Yeah. Ba't kasabay natin si Hugo dito? Hugs, ito ka sa Grabe. Grabe ba? Alright. Going to the next set. Leg extension. Pero may tao pa, kaya may oras pa magpahinga. Frick. There's a lot of plates here. Gonna put it back. Main event of the evening. Medyo magalaw camera ko, nasira eh. Alright. Yan, ganda na ng mo. Cut mo dyan sa close. Up, up, up. Come on. So, marinig si Tom Platz. Habang, inaano ka niya, iniispatan ka, sasabihin niya sa akin, kick me! Kill me! Kill me! Oh, siya yun. Eh, kaya naging favorite ko yun. Kasi pagka meron nagsaspatter sa akin, gusto ko yung, ginigigil ako. Yung si Hugo, pagkakasama ko, ginigigil niya ako lagi. Narinig mo yun, Hugs? Gigil na ako sa yung gago ko eh. Banata kita sa lola mo eh. Alam ko manunod ka mamaya eh. Ang pagising daw ah. Kusapin na kita saglit, Hugs. Sumabay ka na pre next time. Gusto ko na namin pre kasama dito. Oh. Tingnan mo, yung quad extensions pre, hinihintay ka na lang. Come on. Nice. Ano to tawag dito, comfort workout ng legs natin. Hindi tayo napapagod, nangangalay. Comfort lang. Isipin mo lang naman dito, sisipahin mo sa Tom Platz sa mukha. I have skinny legs, but I love kicking. Kaya pala I want you to get mad. Come on, kick me. Kill me. Kunyari, interviewer, no? Kinakausap ka ba nag-workout? So, who's your biggest inspiration on working out? Pwede na po ba mamaya, ma'am? Di makapag-focus eh. Push. Up! More. Okay na. 20? 20 sets nga bawat ano natin eh. Bawat set na 20 reps. Napansin ko lang. Uy. Kala ko nasira ako eh. Uy, lag press.
Paano ako gumamit?
Lag press yan eh. Nilalagyan nila ng barbell yun sa loob eh. Kanino nakita yan? Kila Larry Wills. Ay, by the way, anniversary pala. Death anniversary ni ni Joe Aesthetics. Rest in peace, Bravo.
Rest in paradise.
Ayun na, rest in peace, Braza. Kasabay mo na si Ziz doon.
Isipin mo si Joe Aesthetics, sumikat sa generation yan para mas marami ng pasok sa social media. Pero si Ziz, iba pa rin yung impact na.
Impact kasi ni Ziz, yun eh. Parang, pangarap na ng isang teenager talaga. Maging ganun ka-confident. Kasi doon sa era ng mga teenagers, yan eh, parang era ng curiosity kung saan nila gusto i-share yung sarili nila. Which is nagawa ni Ziz yun para ma-influence yung mga bata na maging healthy. Joe Aesthetics naman, doon natin nakita yung merong nagagawa yung muscles natin na hindi kaya ng iba. Which is yung rippling.
Crowds yun eh, di ba?
Alien yun? Alien gains tawag nila. Pagka nagpa-pump yung chest natin, ganun yun. Nagagawa ng ibang influencer, kaso kailangan ma-work mo talaga maigi to ng till failure si chest. Sakit nga lang nun, baka mamaya hindi na micro-tear. Pag hindi micro-tear yun, puta, muscle tear na yun. Punit talaga muscle mo. Ayun, hamstring ko. Kaya hanggang ngayon, muscle memory na eh. Let's go. Kick me. Napanood mo yung vlog ni Jesse? Ni Jesse James kasama si Brazilian Muscle Mommy.
Ano pa yung sa Liver King? Tapos yung Iceman doon. Bago lang ako nanood kay Jesse James eh. Bago kita makilala, siguro mga 2 araw.
Bagong video lang rin yun, yung kasama si Brazilian Muscle Mommy. Yung leg day nila, sisigaw na lang talaga sila. Halos lahat ng workout kasi ni Brazilian Muscle Mommy, umiiyak yung mga kasabay niya. Pati siya naiyak dito sa leg day. Leg day. Yung leg day niya, parang si Tom Platz.
Naiyak sa hirap.
Pero doon, hindi sila papayag na pagod ka na? Hindi, more. Gano'n na maririnig mo, kaya sisigaw sila.
Umiyak si Jesse James.
Hindi, sumigaw lang. Hindi na siya nakalakad doon sa video niya. Kasi balak niya na. Meron siyang next vlog. Wala, hindi siya nakalakad. Last one. Mas malakas sa akin sa legs yun. Dati. Anong lumpo? Pupunta ako ng school bukas, kukunin na ID ko. Kahit wala.
Dalawang bakante, tapos dun sa taas na.
Alright.
Parang 59. Dalawang space, tapos dun sa ulit. Sa pangatlo. Balik pangatlo pala.
Oh, yung drop na, yung pinakauli natin, failure eh. Sambiat. Come on, you got more. Got more. Ayan na, failure na. Lapit na. Failure. Let's go. Come on. Push, push, push. Come on. More. Come on. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Nice.
Oh, shit!
Saya, di ba? Yung pang 30 talaga yung wawarak sa atin eh. Kaya ako naman ngayon yung mawawarak. So failure, failure, failure. Ganyan yung count namin. Failure, failure. Tulad nung nung quad extension namin. Ayun na pala.
No
Quad
fucking
press.
counting reps.
I only know how to count up to 3. So no counting tayo ngayon.
No fucking counting calories.
Wag naman yun.
Alam mo yun? Sa laban. No fucking counting reps.
No fucking counting calories.
Wake the fuck up, bro.
Oh. Okay. Do you guys ever fight your calluses? Because I do. Lang. Wait lang. Akin na.
Last 5. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Lakas.
Teka lang. Huwag nyo isa-side yung paa nyo pagkaganda. Angat nyo na to. Hindi tayo makatayo. Sarap ah. Kukunin pa natin ID ko. Paalala nyo sa akin sa video. Oh. Okay, while he's doing that set, I'm just gonna get some water. all of our sets are actually, how do I say this? Failure, yeah, I already told you. But from those failure that we do, we gain more muscle by carrying everything. Yeah. Just getting some water. All right, I think this is already good. Don't need too much water. I'm glad that my mic is attached to me. You guys could hear me from afar. All right. All right, mister. Here we go. Yeah, I wonder why the machines here are this strong. All right. Fuck. Try mo mag-close legs. Mas mararamdaman mo dyan sa hamstrings mo. Better. Di ba? Mas ramdam sa hamstrings pag close legs. Mas stretched kasi yung position mo dun sa close legs eh. Ring finger. Ring finger. Ngaw-ngaw eh. Kasi po makikita ko yung din bukas, ganito ako maglakad. Di po, injured po ako eh. Pasensya na po. Tapos aakyat pa ako sa 4th floor.
Pwede ba yung 5 araw ka pumunta ron hindi?
Kailangan ko na eh. Aakyat pa ako sa 4th floor nun. 4th floor, bawal kami gumamit ng elevator kasi ganun din.
Item. Nakikita ko sila na ninja.
Green.
Green naman.
Hindi, green talaga. As in green. Hindi pala hindi, may touch of black rin naman eh. Ayan, green nga. Frick, man. Well, sometimes leg day isn't for everyone, but it's needed. Pag hindi na kaya, pwede mong i-spot sarili mo. You see this one? I'll spot myself later. Pero honestly, nilalagyan pa ng plate ni Sam to. Kaya sabi niya pa, moderate weight. Moderate weight.
Ilan ka na pala si Sam?
Edad ko.
22?
21 siya sumikat. 21 years old.
Bakit kami lumaki? Steroids rin kasi.
18 siya nagsimula mag-gym. Tuloy-tuloy, tapos nagsimula siya mag-cycle, 20 years old siya.
Bakit bata pa siya? Parang bato na rin siya.
Tsaka sa age namin na ganito, mas mabilis mag-develop ang muscle. So, dinagdagan niya lang gamit ang trinabolin. If you guys don't know, trinabolin is actually a concentrated amino acid that helps us grow our muscles rapidly, but it's illegal because it could cause liver damage. So let's do this set. Naramdaman ko na eh. Diba?
Hindi ko kaya mag-upset.
Well, you guys aren't watching. We just added more plates. And we are about to reach our failure. Come on. One more. Hindi na kaya. Well, I'm next. Woo! Wait. May sisi squat pa kami. Hindi ko alam sisi squat pa kami or deadlift. So, you heard that guy. Deadlift. Okay, let me talk to y'all. So, we just did our legs. It's already finished, but we're gonna do some deadlifts. Because tomorrow, I have some important things to do for school. And actually, when school starts, I don't think I could film that much because sometimes editing and uploading takes so much time. But I'll try my best to upload for you guys and send some guides. I don't know. I love talking to you guys because actually, whenever I go to school, I don't have nobody else to speak to except for my friends and teachers. So it's fun. It's fun filming while I'm at my journey at fitness. Yeah. So let's do this thing. All right. So we just finished our workout. I don't have a proper mic today, so the mic actually died and my phone actually died while we were doing some deadlifts. So today's session was wonderful, and yeah, actually I'm starting my cut today. Not today, this freaking week. So yeah, catch you guys on the flip side. Bye bye. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, yeah, and click the notification bell. So yeah, goodbye guys, I love you, and stay fit and healthy. Goodbye.